Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I actually had a video already recorded for this intro for this video, and then I deleted it on accident just now, so I have to re-record my intro. Anyways, welcome back. I am doing a video on cleaning my beauty room, which it looks clean now, but when I recorded my intro it was not clean. I just took you guys along for the ride to clean my beauty room. It seems that when I do these like clean or like empties videos or decluttering type videos, you guys seem to like that, so I figured I'd take you along for the ride for that. Anyways, if you like these types of videos, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just got back from my Florida trip this past week, which if you haven't watched, I was in Florida visiting my dad, my sister, and my stepmom. I haven't seen them in over a year because of COVID, so I was just trying to really enjoy my time and not post too much. And then we also did get sick with like a sinus infection, so it just was like not the greatest towards the end of the trip, and I just didn't have time. So anyways, I came home and a lot of my stuff is just like everywhere. As you can tell, it is such a mess. It's pretty embarrassing. So I'm gonna just be going through everything and just putting it away. I'm thinking I'm just gonna start on this side of my room. I pulled back the table like pretty far so that I would just have like a lot of room to work over here. Okay, so I cleared a lot of this area just now and put things away. I did create a pile right here because this is like tons of stuff that goes in drawers over there. And then I'm thinking I'm gonna work on makeup now and this whole table, because I'll work on the drawers, like the drawers way over there, last. Okay, so I did originally have my brushes sitting in here in like one of these, but I decided I want them all sitting out. So I put all of my like smaller brushes in this whole thing, put all of my blinged brushes, well not all of my blinged brushes, but like the bigger ones in this, just so they're kind of displayed because they're pretty. And then this is just a like glass jar that I had from the Dollar Tree, and I have like some cuter, like more fancy scrunchies wrapped around it, and I put some things on the bottom to kind of lift the brushes up so you can see them. And then these are all like my big fluffy face brushes. So this is kind of what I have going on right now. I'm sure eventually I will want something different for those brushes, but it works for now, and it kind of is cool how it's like a little layered, like with the heights. Okay guys, we have come a long way. So I did clear off this and then I kind of messed it up because I was getting everything like off the floor everywhere. So I just really have to put this stuff away in here and then finish up this little stuff right here, and then I will show you the end results. Okay guys, it is so much better. It's like a night and day compared to how it was. So I went through tons of my kids' bows, put them here. They're in a pile that I need to get rid of. This is a pile of clothes that need to come out of the room, or just random items, blanket and stuff. A garbage bag there, and there's another garbage bag all the way over there. I finally took my Christmas tree down from my decor. This mirror is here because I'm trying to figure out like what I want to do. I had it as part of my background, but I'm thinking I want to like take all my canvas type pictures and kind of put them there. I'm like, maybe that'll be a cute background instead. I don't know. I have been struggling with the background forever. There's part of me that's just like, should I just go to a backdrop and be done with the whole thing? I don't really know. Just work with me while I figure it out. Anyways, I'll kind of show you what I have going on here. This is still kind of like this side, just whatever. And then up here, I have this makeup brush cleaner that I'm probably going to be decluttering, and a Florence just like facial type toner. And there's 2 glass jars with some cotton balls and random stuff. These are some canvases I was talking about. I have lotion, a candle, and a jar of sponges right there. And then I just got this from TJ Maxx, I think it was, or Marshall's, for little cotton pads to pull out. It's just a cute little canister. All my makeup brushes, like I showed you, with this little leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Then I have all my perfumes with a little love sign behind, a candle jar, my Alexa, and no, shut up. And then this is just something that is an extra I'm thinking to put in a giveaway. And then I have just this sitting here. So I'll kind of quickly show you like the drawer. I am going to be doing a like shop my stash, declutter type of clean out this drawer video here soon, because this is just like a hot mess. And then I am gonna also do like a tour once I clean up everything to show you, but I'll just show you really quick. I have like lashes in here. I have, this is like tons of body care items, skincare, toners, stuff like that, facial masks. Then in here is just a ton of hair care items and bobby pins. Then this jar is extra wipes, hand wipes, face masks, under eye pads, extra sponges, a makeup eraser, stuff like that. This drawer is just tons of hair stuff, you know, random stuff like that. Then in here we have all my headbands that I love to wear, and Bath and Body Works stuff. And then candles and pink, Victoria's Secret, more Bath and Body Works, and then more candles. And then over here, this is just hot mess. I'll go through it really fast. We have setting sprays, foundation, concealer, blush, bronzer, highlight, lip products, mascara, eyeliner. Okay, my camera died, and I'm gonna hope that this will not die because I don't think this battery is charged. But in here, I have tons of small palettes. Then this drawer I have bigger ones, and the next 2 drawer are bigger palettes as well. So that's pretty much what I have going, and then I think I'm gonna, like I said, hang some of these canvases here. But that is all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me just cleaning this room. It's not 100% perfect, but it's way better than what it was. And stay tuned for a part 2 to show you like kind of the finished results when everything's done. I'm probably gonna record that here tomorrow, so then it'll be up on my channel. But thanks again for watching. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.